Okay, gonna do a real quick test and boil 1 cup of water using the Olicamp XTS pot and the Soto Windmaster. Of course, I'm inside, but really I want to just see how much fuel it uses. So I've got about an almost empty MSR can that weighs in at 109 grams. And we'll go ahead and weigh that after we're done with the boil test. All right, I got 60-degree tap water. So let's go ahead and put that in. Sorry for the camera shake. Okay, good. And where's my silicone lid? There it is. Hold on. I'm gonna put this silicone lid. I'm not gonna cap it on because it gets so hot so quick. All right, so let's get this baby fired up. Crank this thing on high and start. And this thing's going to be there it is. Great flame pattern right on the bottom, just gets right up in there. This is a regulated stove, so it's going to keep the pressure. Now, I don't know if you can hear the sound change. It's already getting hot over the top. 34 seconds. Bubbling. Here comes steam. See, and we are in we are at full boil, about 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, let's turn the fuel off and weigh it. Okay, so here we are, 4 grams of fuel, so a difference of 5 grams for 1 cup. And I'm going to go ahead and do a 2-cup boil. And I'm pretty sure, I think it's going to use like the equivalency of less fuel. All right, it's been a couple hours and just let everything cool down and settle. And it's time for a little lunch. So heck, let's boil 2 cups of water. Let's reweigh 104 grams. And I'm actually going to make some Packet Gourmet Dottie's Chicken and Dumplings. If you haven't had this yet, it is really, really good. It's probably one of their best sellers. All right, so let's get set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's get this baby fired up. Again, sorry for the shakiness if there is any. Full blast. Hit start. I have gotten times under 2 minutes for this, so we'll see how it looks. With the Soto Windmaster, I'm using the 4-flex stand instead of the 3-prong, simply because the Olicamp XTS is it's 4.5 inches in diameter, so I just want something to give it a wider base, and it doesn't really add much onto the weight. This setup, the stove, the Windmaster with the 4-flex, comes in at 3 ounces. And I just ran out of fuel. Okay, let's get another canister. Okay, so we started with 104 grams. I did run out of fuel, and that gives me, so we finished at 99. Yep, so used up 5 grams. I just temped the water as I was pouring it out, and it was right around 190. So, I mean, we were probably 30 seconds away from a rolling boil. It was hot enough, though, if I wanted to use it to dehydrate a meal, I could have. So, theoretically, I got the water hot enough. What I am going to do, though, is I do want to see how long it takes to get to a rolling boil. I've got another used, almost empty can of this. 106 grams. So let's see if we can get a boil in 6 grams before it runs out at 100 grams. All right, be back. All right, let's take 2. I got 60-degree tap water in here. Full blast. Hit start. And the one thing I do want to throw in here, and I'm definitely don't want to be one of those Joe's Safety Internet guys, but these things do put out a lot of carbon monoxide. And so my ambient temperature in my house right now is actually really cold because I have all the windows open. I have in the past actually triggered my CO2 alarm off just from doing canister stove tests. So if you live in a small area or it's not ventilated, make sure you have really good ventilation if you are going to run any canister stove tests inside, and you don't want to wake your neighbors up with your CO2 alarm going. All right, so we're at 45 seconds. It's already starting to feel heat coming out. Got a nice blast. Everything's regulated. It's got a concave design, which makes it efficient in the wind. A lot of stoves kind of have a convex. I'm already getting steam coming out. We're at 119. So really the goal is to see if we can get this to a boil without going through 6 grams of fuel. And the flame's dying down. However, I'm really close to a boil on this. And I'm at a really strong simmer. So that is 152. Oh, there's the boil. 155. Rolling boil. Look at that. Right before 2 minutes. And we are about ready to run out of fuel. So I'm going to quick turn this off. And we'll be back to see what the weight is. Okay, took the canister off here. 0, let's put it on. 99 grams. $100 grams. So 99. So 7 grams for 2 cups, and the previous boil was 5 grams for 1 cup. So I think it's more efficient for the 2 cups there. I'm not really a scientist, but it's good to know. Anyways, thanks a lot, and I'm about ready to enjoy some Dottie's chicken and dumplings. Catch you later.